Now we have to adjust our curves using the graph editor. We go from Window tab, Animation, then Graph Editor. We can make a shortcut for that. I personally made the shortcut for it using Shift and G. When I use the F key on the keyboard, it focuses on the keys. Make sure you're not using any other languages than English. The moment of impact, it should be linear, meaning that it should have a sharp tip. It should have the same speed when entering the key and when it leaves the key. Look at the form of the curves. The curve should always be smooth, similar to this.